Welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. Thank you so much for joining us on our monthly collaboration. Be sure to check out the screen as there will be much information shared about this special lamb stew. One of them being the prices. Geez, don't worry, I took one for the greater good. I encourage you all to check out the links to all of the collaborators and some of the links that helped me learn about this dish and the culture in the description. Consists of turmeric, coriander, black pepper, cumin, cardamom, and green onions. I don't have green or dried green onions, so I'm just going to use this for now. Try to look at different recipes, and there's so many different ones that I'm just going to stick to myself and try to keep it as traditional as I can, but also keep it Cooking with Lauralee style. I'm going to switch this one out and do the powder form. This is how much I added to there. And I'm going to use this as well, but I'm going to put this to the side for now. Now, there were so many different recipes out there, but these are the ones that I saw consistently. Some cinnamon, ground cinnamon, maybe 5 cardamom pods, and I'm going to add about 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cloves. And I'm going to get the cumin back that actually has seeds and add about 1 tablespoon. So this is no recipe that I followed. I just came up with it with all of the things I saw and viewed and different methods that authentic Yemeni people have done. Here I'm going to go ahead and toast these just so that they can release their aromas. And I have no oil here, maybe about 4 or 5 minutes. All right, oh, now you can really smell it now. So it's been about 5 minutes, so I'm going to take this out and I'm actually going to go ahead and grind them. And then I'm going to prepare this for the stew. So these are the vegetables that I'm going to use. Like I said, there were many different recipes that I found, but I found that a key ingredient was always the onions and garlic and mostly tomatoes. I've seen the chili in there. When I went to the store, they didn't have chili, so I got this long green hot pepper. This one, as I researched, is either you like it or you don't, so it's up to you. My preference is just to have a little zing there. And I also had black garlic. I needed to get rid of it, and I just think that it would add a really nice depth to the stew. I know this may be traditional, but like I said, it seems like everybody does it the way that they want to do it. I already got the lamb, and then I have the potatoes that I will do. They usually just use big chunks of potatoes, but I figured it'd be nice to have these for this video, and my kids love these potatoes in soups and stews. And then coriander. Some people I've noticed and saw that they just put it all together and cook together, but I don't like that because sometimes it kind of like burns the coriander. So I'll put this, but probably just a little towards the end and infuse into the liquid, but not have that burnt taste that it can have. The Hawaii seasoning, and then this is the seasonings that I kind of made myself to infuse the lamb. I'm going to cut the lamb up. Originally I was going to use the whole thing, but I think that might be too much. I'm going to cut it up and hopefully get some steaks out of this, and also some meat for the stew. Man, this smells so good. All the bits from the bottom. I'm gonna let this come to a boil and then put it in the oven. This is 20 minutes in. Alright, now we got a nice roar. Alright, I'm gonna put this in the oven now and clean this whole stove up that I just finished cleaning up. There's not much of that scum thing going on. I'm gonna check it in about 30 minutes in the oven, scrape any scum that I need to scrape, and then take it from there. Salt it at the end. I'm going to put this in the oven for about an hour and a half with the lid slightly opened, and I'm going to have a pan with water just in case it does overboil to catch anything and not burn my oven. I'm going to put it in here for another hour and a half. I'm going to keep it closed, and then after the hour I will take the cover off and see how it is, maybe a little uncovered. We'll check it as we go. Okay, this has been about an hour. We still got a body there. Let's pull this out. Just put that in case it spills over. I am gonna go ahead and put the potatoes in now. I washed them. It's 2 pounds of potatoes mixed in just to make it look pretty. Mix them around. Just wanted to show you this potato looks weird. It looks like a fish, like a face or something. Oh, that's pretty much done, but I'm still gonna let it go for the potatoes to be done. So that's tasting really good. I'm gonna put it for 400 for maybe another 30-40 minutes. So next time I make this soup, one thing I will change is I will first boil the meat in salt water, get all the impurities out, and then just do how I did in seasoning the meat, and you will have a clearer broth. Also, the broth was on point and delicious. Boiling also helped take that gamey taste out of it. All right, I think it's perfect. I'll tell you why it's perfect. I'm gonna put some of this. I think it's perfect because this is falling off the bone. That's what we wanted. And the potatoes are done. I'm gonna get this baby out the way. And then, once again, it's so tender it just breaks apart itself. And I think I'm gonna put a little bit more coriander or cilantro, but not that much more. You can put as much as you want, and it is very delicious. We'll plate this up and then eat it. That above angle. Mm-hmm. Look at drone. Dude, that's like super good. That's the one. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to make this delicious lamb stew. Please know that culturally it is served with a lemon or lime, and really you can make your own, but as long as you have that traditional seasoning, it will make this soup delicious. I'm very excited that I was a part of this collaboration. I almost didn't make it. I had a back injury, but glory to God, I'm here and I was able to finish this wonderful video. Be sure to check out the links below because it really helped me just to really learn so much about the culture. I learned so much that I wanted to give you guys a report of all the things I've learned. But anyways, I hope this was a blessing to you. If this was helpful, please subscribe and share my video. Thanks so much and take care, everyone. God bless.